Welcome to 360 Glendobbin Road. This wonderful property is accessed through a tree-lined gated driveway that leads to the home on its very private, unrestricted 8.4 acres. The 3-bedroom, possible 5-bedroom, 3-bath home with 2 finished levels has been lovingly and meticulously maintained. This is very apparent as soon as you enter the home. Walk into the great room consisting of the large gourmet kitchen with gas cooking, living and dining areas, and views through a wall of windows to the rear yard and swimming pool. The kitchen has a 21-foot-long granite counter that accommodates 6 stools, making it perfect for gatherings, a Wolf 6-burner stove, and a separate wall oven, truly a chef's dream kitchen. There is also a butler's pantry with built-in cabinets and main-level laundry. The owner's suite consists of a large bedroom with an attached sitting area, custom bath with heated towel racks, and walk-in closet. 2 additional bedrooms and bath complete the main level. The finished basement has a large family room with a wood-burning stove and an attached game room with space for a bar or kitchenette. The lower level also has a full bath, laundry/storage area, and 2 other rooms, currently used as additional bedrooms. Enjoy the airy 20 by 26 3-season room with plankwood cathedral ceiling leading to a 1,500 square foot composite deck and the in-ground pool and hot tub. The backyard backs to trees, making this entire area your personal oasis. The property also has an adjacent detached oversized 2-car garage, another detached garage/workshop, a barn with 2 horse stalls with room to store hay, and a run-in. The fencing, corral, 3 hydrants, and 2 all-season automatic watering systems on the property make it perfect for your horse.